I want to show you guys this really cool site. It's called Opus Clip, and it's at opus.pro is the website. I'll put the link in the description. But this website shows you how to get these really short clips from your YouTube videos and shows you how. It's probably a bad explanation. You literally just give it a link, and then what it'll do is it'll go through and it'll process and analyze all of your larger videos into shorter ones for like all of the short form platforms like Facebook Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, etc. So if you see this video right here, this gives a good idea of what it does. So like if you have a larger video, it'll take the captions and it'll shorten it down and it'll give you only that output right there. So you see like where this is interview with Elon Musk, and what it'll do is just auto crop and then just like do the highlights of what it thinks is the important material and then just give you those out. So right now I have this running on one of my videos, and in a second whenever the content shows up, I'm going to give you a view of what it looks like, because with my videos I think it's kind of hard to capture that. So I'm going to give you an idea or sort of a review live. This is my like second time using it, of how well I think that this actually did. So I think it's going to be interesting. So all right, so I'm going to kind of peek around these. The ones that I got last time, they were okay. I think the way that my videos are so wide and there's a lot going on the screen, I think it's pretty hard, even though it says that it wants to like really, it's like really good on educational stuff. I do take that with a grain of salt. But let's just watch this one. This one got a 92 score. This says, in covering the same way AI can create new characters for Red Dead Redemption. So it kind of gives you like a simulated title. One of the models that I'm going to use is called RPG4. I'm going to say, hey, I'd like to use a completely different model of Leonardo AI than the one I was just using. And so from there, what we're going to do is then move to say, okay, how can we get 20 new characters based on the game Red Dead Redemption 2. One of the models that I'm going to use is called RPG4. So what it does there is it just provides, it's definitely a super short little thing, right? And the only idea that I have is that it has some captions. You can read it without sound. It could prompt and drive people maybe from, the shorts section of YouTube to your videos with something like this. I didn't have to make this, I didn't have to edit this, I didn't have to do the captions. The AI just did it. So I'm not gonna lie, not bad. I'm gonna look at this one that only has an 84 score. Yeah, overall really cool that we can create our own type of characters. We could describe them, give them a name, and ultimately get them to be whatever we want. And we're using ChatGPT to develop these prompts, and then we're telling ChatGPT to refine the prompt based off what we feel should happen. And we just keep working that logic back and forth. And honestly, like self-criticism, not a lot of my monologue or my description inside of the videos I make is like super rousing. So a lot of people that have like a really high like energy description, and they're like doing like full body shots or like top up shots, and they're like really energetically telling you the latest news in AI. That's not necessarily what I do on this channel, but like, so I think that a lot of stuff that you'll see become really popular in the short realm would be stuff like that. But I like this. I think this is a chill little prompt. It's like it is definitely a short. I think it's like an attention grabber. I don't think it's meant to be anything more than that. But what I like about it is I can throw my link in here, and then this company will make this for me very quickly. And I don't know how they make money, but I start off not paying a dime yet. I'm sure that they will monetize. I'm absolutely sure of that. And I definitely recommend that you go check them out. I think this is really cool. If you have any sort of content, definitely think this is like a really cool thing to explore, see what they can offer. It probably runs just like OpenAI or Midjourney, where you eventually pay for some sort of subscription or credits type model. And yeah, overall really cool. So definitely give them, go ahead and check that out, and let me know what you think in the comments.